Welcome to the channel. Today, we are going to show you how to easily change the search engine in the Phoenix browser on your mobile device. This tutorial will help you customize your browsing experience by selecting the search engine that works best for your needs, making your online searches faster and more convenient. First, open the Phoenix browser on your mobile device. Next, tap on the profile icon located at the bottom right. Then, scroll down and select Settings from the menu options. Once you are in the Settings menu, tap on Search Engine. Here, you will see a list of available search engines including Google, Bing, Yahoo, DuckDuckGo, Yandex, and AOL. Simply choose the search engine you prefer, and your changes will be applied immediately. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.